Hi again everyone, this is part 2 of the video on using Trello, just a basic video for beginners. Now, yesterday we created this particular board and we created lists within the board and cards within the lists, and this is a continuation. Now, everything you create in Trello can be deleted or archived. Archived is a way to push it back temporarily. It's not totally lost, but when you delete, you totally delete. So let me take it step by step. At this point, let me make an apology for yesterday's video because I referred to these as cards, but they are actually lists. Okay, so first list, cover. So what if in this project we no longer think we should work on the cover, and maybe we should just concentrate on the pages of the book. So we want to essentially delete the list for the cover. What we just do, where I'm hovering to the top right of the list, when you click it, you will see this option to archive the list. And you could just click and it's gone. But is it? It's not totally gone. It's archived. So what if we just decided, oh well, we should bring back the cover design into the project? This is what you do. You just go to the top right hand side and click. Scroll down and you will see archived items. It's just the third option there. Click it. And then it's telling you at this point, no archived cards. So you switch to lists, because if you can remember, what we did delete was a list. So this is here, and you just say, send this list back to the board. And it goes back to the board, right there, as if nothing ever happened. But what if it's within the list? Say we don't just want to discuss the title. Okay, let's use the second one here. The cover design. We just feel, don't worry, the graphic artist will take care of this. We don't need to discuss it in the project. So fine. Same thing, we've clicked the card, we scroll down and we see that option again to archive. And once we click it, something different happens at this point. It gives us the option to delete forever, but this is not what we want because we have clicked archive already. This card right here has been archived, and see, right now it's totally disappeared. Same thing, how do we want it back? Just go to the top right. Go to, we're looking now for a card, so we switch to cards, and here is the card. At this point you could actually also delete it totally if you want, but right now we just want to reinstate it, and so back to the board, and it's as if nothing happened. This also is an option you could use with the board. We have several boards here. What if now we just don't need the board for the book? See these 3 dots here? This is the board. These 3 dots, just click. There's an option to close the board. And once you click that, you can find, you'd see the notice, you can find or reopen closed boards at the bottom of your board's page. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to open this page in a new tab, but I'm still going to tell you how to get around this, and then you can close. Book is closed, and you also again have the option to permanently delete the board. Now this is the board's page. Every board is here. You could scroll down remember we have deleted the board for the book and we can't find it here, so we can scroll down. If we want to restore that board, we could go here and click view or close boards, and book is closed, and we could reopen it. But I'm going to show you something. Remember, I right clicked and opened this in a new tab. You could still go here and just click boards. That's the same page. All your boards, all your Trello boards are there, and you could scroll down, and that is it here. View close boards. And this is the board we deleted, and we could reopen it. Reopen, click once more. That's it. We're done. It's right here. Sorry, it's here as well. So let's go back to the boards page. It is right here, and it's been reinstalled or restored, so we can see it here. So now let's talk about a workspace. Yesterday I did not create a new workspace. I had no reason. I didn't think I had a reason to, but right now let's just do that. So go to workspace. This is my current workspace. Sorry, I needed to do something. This is my current, well, that isn't my workspace, but I'm in the workspace settings anyway. So let's click create. And of course, there are always 3 standard options. Create the board, start with a template, and create a workspace. And we're going to create a workspace so we understand how to delete workspaces. Now, we could just name this sample, and workspace type, let's just choose whatever it is. Let's choose education. We're doing an educational video anyway. And then we don't need a description. This is just a demo. Continue. So we've created the workspace, invite our team. No, we'll do this later. And fine, we are in the workspace we just created. The workspace name is sample, as you could see, sample. Let's go back to the main page in Trello. So we have all our workspaces here. This is the workspace we want to delete. Let's arrow down to settings. From here you can delete. So we are in the settings right now. Just do a bottom scroll to the page and you will see it in red highlighted here. Delete this workspace. Click. Just note, let's just read through. You will have to enter the name of the workspace here and click delete. But just things to know that this is permanent and can be undone once you delete a workspace. But something happens to all the boards. All the boards in this workspace will be closed. Board admins can reopen the boards. Board members will not be able to interact with closed boards. So the workspace will be gone, but if there are boards within this workspace, then no, they can be reopened by an admin. So what's the name of this workspace? Again, sample. And the moment we type it, the red button comes up and we can totally delete this workspace like it never even existed. So thank you. We will have another video very soon. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you. Bye.